subject-verb agreement. So, have you discussed subject-verb agreement in your classes? Are you sure? Subject-verb agreement. Yes.
Subject agreement.
Subject-verb agreement.
Subject-verb agreement.
Yes.
Agreement.
Are you sure? Wala pa? What year are you?
Fourth year.
Yeah, I'm sure you have to discuss subject-verb agreement. Go to Jen. Third year, right? Yes. Yes. Yeah, I'm sure subject-verb agreement was introduced.
Anis, ako second year, Anis.
What about you? The first year. Meron. First year?
No.
Third year? Third year. Okay, very good. So, we are going to discuss subject-verb agreement. Same principle with the tenses of verbs. That is why I discussed it earlier, so that your foundations in the verb will be exercised.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
So, I will group you into two. Okay, count. 2. 1. 2.
One.
Okay, so group number 1 will stay here, group number 2 will stay here. And I will give you a strip of paper, and as a group you're going to answer this paper to test your knowledge of subject and verb.
Oh.
Okay, just answer. We'll give you 2 minutes to answer. Stay with your question. 2 minutes starts now. Remember the principles of the basic tenses?
One.